Hey guys, so today I'm showing you a very simple eye look using all MG Natural products. The first shade I'm actually going to be using is their bronzer. This is a very beautiful sort of transition shade. Sorry if you can hear the birds in the background. So I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this, and I'm basically starting from the outer corner, doing windscreen wiper motions all the way in, going on the outer corner through that crease, ever so slightly high though. And this here is just a clean brush, and we're just going to make sure the edges are nice and smooth. So I wanted bulk of the product to be on the outer corner, so I would start there and work my way inwards. So this is one of their eyeshadows here, the loose mineral eyeshadows. So this is a really nice dark brown shade. So we're popping that straight on that outer corner there, working our way inwards, but I don't go near as far as I do that first shade. We just want this based on that outer corner, ever so slightly, as you can see, just blending a smidgen in. So taking that first brush we used, and we're just going to, with no additional product, we're just going to go over the edges and blend it all out. I wanted it nice, soft and smoky. So again, going with the clean brush now and softening out those edges even more. Sorry about my eyeshadowed finger there, it looks a bit disturbing, but it's just eyeshadow. So this is a beautiful matte white shade, and I'm popping this on just on that eyelid there, stopping where my natural crease is. And with that same fluffy brush that we first used, we're just going to blend it all together. And then where I'm the dark shade to the light shade, I'm grabbing that brush we applied the dark shade first and blending that in with each other. Swapping the brushes back to what color I used them with. Okay, so the next step I'm going to be using is their illuminator powder here. So I'm going to use this to highlight my eyes. So popping that on that inner corner there and my brow bone. So I'm just going right on that very tip for most of the product, and then lightly just blending it sort of a little bit in and then a little bit down. We want it to be basically on the highest point the most. So we're taking that first shade we used, which is the bronzer, and we're just going to lightly smudge that on the bottom lash line, connecting it to the eyeshadows there. And taking a very small pencil brush, we're going to apply that darker brown shade, and we're just popping it on the outer corner, exactly like we did on the top, and just connecting it together. So I just followed my natural eye shape for this, so yours will look different following your own natural shape. So I didn't create anything different. I'm just popping mascara on now. This is the MG Naturals mascara, so I'm popping that on my top and my bottom lashes. So here I just quickly show you the difference of what a little mascara can do. And yes, you'll see that I smudged a little bit it on my bottom lash line, but don't worry, a Q-tip got rid of that. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.